For product management in particular, I would say that students should know that shades of gray are normal, and being comfortable with ambiguity, or at least being fairly open to ambiguity, will be a huge advantage for them. So if you think in terms of like black and white, just let that go for just a second, just a moment, so that you can be more receptive to new information.
It really seeks to understand what the customer's doing and be very clear about the problems they have so we can figure out what to solve. It's not about the solutions themselves. It's really about understanding the why and then getting to the how and the what of them. And I think often folks don't realize that coming into it.
People should learn product management whether you're looking to become a product manager or not, because it helps you to become a critical thinker. That's a skill that you feel like you're waning in or looking to develop. The PDM course, particularly at GA, is one that helps you to think a little bit bigger, a little bit broader than maybe you do today.
I think they should know that a big focus on this class is learning how to think like a product manager. This is not a field where it's a bunch of checkboxes and it's just the trick of learning the right sequence of things and some of the magic tools. It's really a lot about how do you conceptualize things along the way and figure out what decisions need to be made at different stages. So it's really about how you think more so necessarily than how you do product.